Alam niyo bang may dalawang boss akong nag-fan para makabili ako ng ROG 60? Sobrang blessed ko nga kasi finally may work phone na ako. Dati kong phone ay ROG 5S, kaso nagka-CPU and screen damage. Kaya nahirapan ako mag-rely sa laptop alone kasi walang SIM card slot at iba pang kailangan. Alam niyo naman, dami kong ganap sa buhay at having a decent all-around phone is really efficient. From content creation, video editing, online gaming, working on our small business, and syempre, as a freelance techie girl, I admit, isa si ROG sa nagpa-satisfy sa work progress ko. Isa sa mga feature ng phone na to ay ang capability to film video up to 8K Ultra HD, dual battery with a whopping 6,000 mAh capacity, supports 65 watts, fast charging, and comes with an inbox 65 watts charger. May dalawang charging port, air trigger, at Aurora RGB lighting with 8 mods